Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar index monthly time frame, I still believe this right here is the end of an ABC correction. I think that this over the coming months and probably even years at this point is going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs, probably eventually go down and take out these lows. So let's head down to the weekly time frame, which is where I like to switch back to the US dollar index. On the weekly time frame, I think we very clearly have a downtrend right here, which I believe to be a 1. I think this is very clearly also an ABC pullback. Went right to the 38% Fibonacci level, as you can see. Made a nice impulsive turn. I think that we're already back into a downtrend, and I think over the coming weeks and months, it's going to end up continuing to make lower lows, lower highs, all part of a big wave 3. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, as you can see, we have been going up over the last few days. I still believe this move up is going to be a correction to this move down. I think it's probably going to end up doing some sort of a 3-wave pullback and most likely end up continuing the downtrend. Maybe even it will go up and retest this trend line before it actually ends up continuing back down. So let's take a look at it on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I also think it's very clear that this is a 1, 2, big wave 3, 4, and 5 going down. I think this move up is actually just the beginning of an uptrend for a wave A, probably going to make a wave B, and then probably back up again for a wave C. I think this 50% Fibonacci retracement is a very likely place for this to end an ABC correction, and at that point, most likely end up continuing the downtrend. So until we know this ABC correction is over, though, I am definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I believe this right here is a wave 5. It's just a higher low for the wave 5. I think that we are trending up, probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A. I think eventually, probably around the 38% level, it will end the wave A, probably make its way down for a B, and then probably back up again eventually for a wave C, making it a complete ABC correction, just like what I was showing on like the 4 hour and on the daily time frame, before it actually ends a wave C and ends up continuing the downtrend, which I still believe is all going to be part of a much bigger wave 3 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.